Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made my faux stained glass pictures. I have painted on windows before, but this way requires clear glue and acrylic paint. The Elmer's glue mixed with the acrylic paint just makes it a little bit more durable. I first started out with a stencil. I did draw my own. And then I traced the outline with black marker. Once that was done, I did tape it to the back of the glass, and I used puffy 3D paint for the outline. And then I allowed that black puffy paint to dry fully. When you mix your paint, you only need a little bit of paint to the clear glue and then fill in your colors. And it might take a couple layers. And then for a final touch, I did sand the frame down that came with the glass and I painted it. And once everything was dry, I did use E6000 glue to glue the glass to the frame. And at the last moment, I wanted a frosted look on the clear parts, so I took some clear glue and I did paint over the clear parts. However, it kind of dried flat, so I went ahead and used Mod Podge to give it more of a texture and created a frosted look. And here's the final picture. I did get carried away and make a couple things, plus I did a vase and a bottle. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next week. Bye.